Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Darkness. Before start, don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos, and don't forget to follow me on my social media here. So today we have a special project, a new meme token, the Hellfire Coin, one of the best meme coin for this month. All what you have to do is follow me from the beginning to the end to understand everything about this amazing project. See you soon guys after this intro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel. So today we are here to introduce this amazing project, the meme coin, the Hellfire Coin. So as everyone now, the Hellfire Coin is integrated coins with games. As you see, you can join the dark meme revolution, burning with Hellfire and Chaos. So follow me from the beginning to the end to understand everything about this project. So the launch on the Pump.fun November at 12 exactly at 3 p.m. UTC. So the Hellfire, you have to be quickly because you should not miss it. So this is the official website of the project here. So we have here some information about the Hellfire Coin. As you see here, we are a coin meme developer with a touch of hell and fire, bringing darkness with a touch of humor. So this is some images about the Hellfire Coin. So the mission of this project is to create a meme coin community with the hell themes. So that is exciting and full of fire spirit. So they provide some services like development, design, and community, as you see here. So you can build a strong visual identity with the theme of fire and darkness meme. So the Hell Gallery, as you see here, some amazing pictures of the Hellfire, as you see. This one also, this one with some money, and here some fires. And the last one, as you see, this is the last one for the fire. So you can just contact the project with your name, email, and put your message. After that, send it like this. So about the token, if you wanna buy the token, so this is the services, the website design. They provide this website design, the coin development, as you see. And for sure, if you have any question, you can just check it here. So how you can buy the token? You can buy the Hellfire through exchange platform that support this token, like Pump.fun and wallet sweep in front of the contract address. So you can see, check every question here, some popular questions. And for sure, I will show you how you can do this. We have here the Hellfire visual roadmap. If you wanna learn about this project, you can just check here the roadmap and what they do in the mission, and of course what is the vision of this project. So this is the roadmap. The theme of the Hellfire is here. You can check it one by one, and for sure, don't miss the official white paper. As you see, this is the white paper. If you wanna know every single information about this Hellfire, you can just put it here. I will put this under this video in the description exactly for every one of you guys, if you wanna check this amazing project and read about it for sure. So we have here on the official Notion website, you can see the Hellfire Inferno realm about the Hellfire, and you can check here the client choice and the reference. So how you can buy the token? You can buy it, as I mentioned before, on the official Pump.fun and wallet sweep. So guys, this is the Pump.fun website where you can buy the token. So how about buy the token? You can just copy the address wallet exactly under this video description. I will put it there. Then you can just put it here or paste it here. Then you can see the Hellfire, because there are a lot of scammers, as you see. For example, if you try to make, for example, a search about Hellfire like this, you can find a lot of spammer token here. So they are not here. So all what you have to do is make pass to the address wallet. This is the official Hellfire coin. So the price for now is almost, as you see here, the market cap is almost $67,700 here, and you can check everything about the token here. You can buy it by click, buy or sell, but before that you have to download. You can download the Pump app, or you can just log in for the website or create your account. So you can find everything about the token here, ladies and gentlemen. So the price for now is 0.406770, and this is some information about the token here. The trading volume about the last 24 hours is $785. So that's it, guys. Now let's see some social media. They have the official X account here, the Hellfire Coin. You can check the official website here, official X account. They have almost 600 followers, and this is really a good number. The Happy New Year 2026, the Demon Hellfire. You can just check it here, guys. The token is now about 0.40677, and this is really a good file. I advise you guys for buy the token. Will be also on the Hellfire on the Binance wallet. If you wanna check it for sure, you can just go on the next Binance account here to download the Web3 wallet. After that you can buy it. So the percentage has been growing up 5% in the last 24 hours. We have here some posts about the Hellfire, as you see, guys. So I will put all the links under this video description for everyone who wants to invite one. This is the official one of the best YouTube videos about the Hellfire. So this is one also, and we have here another one. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the official website. I hope you like the Hellfire. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget that I will put all the links under this video description. See you soon, guys, and goodbye.